Welcome back to Mad Ford Engineering, and you are watching the Rusty Nuts. And we are working on Bob again tonight. I don't think we've mentioned this, but similar to last year, the aim is to get Bob to tanks, trucks and firepower. So let's hope round 2 we can make it. And we are on track, definitely. So a Lee Ham is currently fitting the heat shield in here.
Yeah, losing really my mind with these bolts. I'll show you in a second once.
You'll probably hear him straining while we're talking because he's mic'd up. Now, front end, look at this. Mick, while we have been away, has been busy fitting headlights. He wired up the light units in here as well, so there we've put those in now. And Bob is looking fabulous. We've got to do the final blowover at the end, but we have door furniture in. This one, unfortunately, we found is broken, so we need to get a new one of those, which isn't so bad because this wasn't in great condition, so we had to paint it NATO. Round at this side, however, it's looking beautiful. Mick's put new barrels in, put the seals on there for us, all of that good stuff. The guys are busy working in here, fitting the end of the dash. Oh my God, let's move away from there. There's about to be a discovery on QC, quality control. If you've just joined us, Mick is very much quality control. Back of the tub, we had fitted the plates in here. However, I neglected to paint them, so we've had to take them off again, and now I've painted them. And they're under sealed, so all good to go. I think the guys heard whispering and are inquisitive. I was just saying I forgot to paint the bottoms of these, had to redo it. It's in the booth.
Cock!
Oh, and Liam has forgot he's wearing a mic. Try not to talk, Liam. In the booth, we've just done a load of blacking, so sounds really bad, doesn't it? But the paint thing's black. Let's go in here. I can't see because I've got stuff all on my glasses. So, bumperettes are now nice and shiny. I've 2K'd black these because we tried it with a rattle can and it just didn't look great. So to match the chassis, they used the same 2K black and it looks brilliant. As soon as I put the first coat on, I was like, why did I even bother with a rattle can? If rattle cans are all you've got, it's fine, you know, but our chassis was 2K'd with this paint, so it just makes sense to match it up, and it is so much easier to get a high shine with your aerosols. If you're acrylic, you constantly have to keep going over and over, layering it up to try and get it. Got various bits that needed to go black, so we've got like seatbelt reinforcing plates, things like that, some more strengtheners. We've done I think this is the distribution box. You know me, I can't ever get this right. The front panel now is black. We'd had done that NATO, but we decided to do all this black. It'll stand out nice against the tub. And then these are the panels. Don't worry, there are some runs in there, but this is under seal, this isn't paint. So I've tetra sealed the bottoms of these, primed them, tetra sealed them, and then they are ready to go back on once that's dried off. And the other side is just NATO, like we had before. So, making brilliant progress.
Because the throttle linkage,
and hopefully we're going to be on track to hit that date. I think Tuesday, Mick was saying we could try and get, if there's a ramp clear, and try and get Bob up on the ramp and get the brake line sorted at the back. And then we're not far off Bob being fully drivable. Would you like to add anything else to the roundup of things?
Yeah, fit this heat shield before you put the throttle linkage on. Cock!
Not tappy. In here, Liam has now fitted the gasket on the fuel tap. He's sorted that.
I've also done the chair backs as well, Dave.
Oh yeah, I can see that. Beautiful.
You need to get some of the rubbers.
Yep. So these support brackets on the back, so the sort of the buffers for the chair, are now on, which is nice because when we were sitting in the chair before, it was going quite far back. It felt a bit sort of low rider-ish. So that's done. We just need to get the rubbers to go on to buffer them out a little bit, because you can see down there that one's not even touching. So with the rubber on, it should just bring it up nicely. what else? Mick's gone round and fitted loads of little bits. We've got the door stays on. I say that needs replacing. Liam's fitted the window locks on here. But yeah, overall, it's looking amazing. We do need to, when we do the blowover, these will go green on the channels because we'll see those. Frame is done as you've seen previously. So it's coming along very nicely. We are on night 2 of this video now. So finished up the other night, got quite a lot done. Tonight, I think I told you we've taken these plates off here because I hadn't undersealed them. So they are now undersealed, refitted in a record time with the rivet gun as well. Ask Andy how long it took him. Andy's fitted the badge, which he has kindly taken away and painted up, but kept that rustic effect, looking good. Liam has arrived. He's over there being told some jokes by Andy, I think. And we have a new washer bottle, so we're going to get that in. Just lots of bolting bits on and getting stuff sorted. We haven't got anything in the booth now. Davey B's here. I think he's in the car having his Mackies for his dinner. Before I tell you what Dave's going to be doing, Andy is just working on the bumperettes. Now the guys, when we took the bumperettes off Bob, they were really dented and bashed up. So they've done a great job sort of straightening them out. They're never going to be perfect. However, the flat edge should be on the outside of the vehicle. So this here would be the passenger side. And if this was flat here, this should be the driver's side. Unfortunately, it looks like we may have 2 passenger side bumperettes. So we want them to slope upwards, like that bottom section is sloping up. But yeah, when they're both up that way, they're the same. So this is a problem. And I don't know if that was when the guys were straightening them, they've bent one of them into the same as the passenger. So at the moment we've got 2 passenger ones, so we need to sort that. We've got the reflectors that are going to connect on to those. Here's Lame. And then Dave's job tonight is going to be reassembling this distribution box that he's now painted, because he really enjoyed disassembling it.
I think he enjoyed it so much that he's gone home.
Yeah, I think he heard what his job was and buggered off.
Oh no, he'll have gone to eat his Mackies.
That's what I said. I think he's gone to eat his Mackies.
Yeah, he doesn't like to eat in front of people. I'm sure that's not the reason. But
I mean, it could be. It's plausible. Right, so we're going to get cracking.
Did he only eat naked?
That is weird. I'm going
That is strange.
to... I think I'll scotch this up and then I can get in the booth and get that painted so that can go back in. And then we'll just crack on. Look at that. It definitely is better having a nice clean washer bottle.
I think we just lay that like that. Oh. And that just drops in there like that.
Yeah.
That's how it goes, isn't it?
Yep.
I'll move that to the right place in a minute. Yo. Right, I've fitted the washing bottle. I've fitted the washing bottle, which is now there. We need to extend the wash line pump thing, cable, whatever, so that I'm coming up with all the absolute correct wording for what we're doing here. So this fish tank pipe, it needs to be longer so we can run it around the wing and have it nice and neat, P-clipped and everything like that. So it's not quite long enough to be able to do that. So we need to get a bit more hose, Dave.
I need hose, Dave.
Hose?
Right.
How many hose?
Proper hose. I'm now going to fit a kill switch, but you lot aren't going to know where that is, and nor is anyone else. So I'm going to fit that without anyone knowing.
You're not nicking him. Not again.
And then I'm going to fit the 240 volt electronic.
Put it underneath the dash where you said earlier. Put it up his butt.
So I'm going to figure out somewhere else to put it, and then I'm going to wire up the steering wheel with 240 volts. So if anybody gets in it, they'll get a very, very big shock. Won't they, Dave?
Yes. Very big.
Go back to the original videos if you want to see why. So I'm going to do that now.
Right, so we have a Dave putting in the correct countersunk bolts. So now you can see these fit lovely and flush. So not going to rub the I was going to say curtain, not going to rub the canvas like these would. Liam is cleaning up my mistakes. Thank you.
Mistakes. Just poor decisions.
Oh. Well, I did wonder whether I should have masked that off, but I thought
I think
it'll be okay.
I think we actually agreed between us that
Overspray is fine.
yeah.
But I mean, actually, I think the paint has acted as a catalyst there to make that clean up even better.
Yes.
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 Yes. Mint. What else have we been doing? I've been in the booth. Painting some stuff. Got the mic on top of the camera, which I don't normally do. I don't know if it's going to pick up my voice very well because it's facing the wrong way. Right, what we've been doing in here. So, Andy has masked up the wing boxes ready for paint, so we're going to NATO those. Mick's got a new bulkhead in here, so I've covered that. So tonight, because we're sort of limited on space, I'm not going to paint the NATO bits yet. I'm going to let the black stuff dry. So these are the clasps, which you would see on a military bonnet, but they also hold down the battery box, so they clamp on there and hold it down tight, so when you're in motion, that's not rattling around, bouncing all over the place. That was NATO. We've done it black because it would have been black. Bob's original one was black, so we've gone for that. And in the cabin, we're going to have quite a few gloss black bits, kind of replicating how you would get it when it first came into service, but or you know what we believe to be like that. So that's black. Those clasps are black. Should look good because we've got the distribution box that Liam's just shining up as well, and the cabling on. So yeah, we're making progress, slow progress. I think we need to do another weekender and hit it hard, but we're getting there. Right, well, we have been very busy tonight and we've been dashing around. I think bump stops are done on this seat now and it's actually really comfortable. There's a wiper in shot. We've got Liam's at the back just fixing some of the bits on the distribution box and that's ready to go in the middle here. We've done some painting, we've done loads of bits. Thanks to Dave, Andy for helping out, and Mick is in here as well. And yeah, I think that's about it for this one. We'll hit you up with another Bob update very soon. But thanks for watching. If you want any of our merch or DJI equipment, all the usual links are down below in the description. We upload every Sunday. So if you like what you see, hang around. We've also got Mindy on the channel. We've got Angus, the Range Rover. And hopefully we'll start getting to some shows soon. And Bob should be running very shortly. Thanks for watching. See you soon.